Hey guys, Stephanie here with LivingWell Realty. I'm back out here in Lilyana in Prosper, and this is my build job with American Legend. So let's flip the camera around and see what's been going on since the last time we were here. So a lot has changed since we were out here. They have the brick on, they have shutters on. They just poured the sidewalk in the driveway this past week. So let's go inside and peek around. As you can see, they have the drywall up since the last time. They textured, they've painted, they have the trim working. Okay, so they have the railings. Not all of the trim is actually installed yet, but I have seen some of it around the house. They have the countertops and the cabinets. No tile yet. This is the secondary bedroom on the first floor. So there's some trim in here. Linen closet. And we'll go down this first hallway here. Mud bench has been installed. And then the laundry room is actually right over here to the left with some cabinets here. Going into the kitchen, countertops, cabinets, the fireplace. Everything is looking really good. So we'll go to the primary suite and peek in here. Same countertops and cabinets. And we will take a peek upstairs. Railings are in. Nice open area for the game room. Media room. There's no power yet, so it might be a little dark in some areas, but there's actually a lot of natural light in here. Third bedroom. Full bath. And then here is bedroom 4. Okay guys, that concludes our update for this week. If you need help in the Prosper or surrounding areas, please reach out. I would love to help. Hope to hear from you soon.